Imagine this. You're holding a warm cup, steam rising, the amazing earthy aroma wrapping around you. But what if I told you that a simple cup of green tea is more than just a comforting ritual? It's a centuries-old secret to unlocking better health, sharper focus, and even a longer life. From boosting your energy to protecting your heart, this humble drink does it all. So, why is green tea called the elixir of life by so many cultures? Let's dive in, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your morning tea the same way again. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that could truly transform your life: the incredible benefits of drinking green tea. If you've ever wondered why this ancient beverage has gained such popularity in recent years, you're in for a treat. Green tea is not just a refreshing drink. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can enhance your overall well-being. Research shows that green tea can boost metabolism, aid in weight loss, and even improve brain function. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of green tea while knowing you're giving your body a natural energy boost and protecting it from harmful free radicals. It's like a little health potion in a cup. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Whether you enjoy it in the morning to kickstart your day or as a calming afternoon ritual, this simple habit can lead to significant health improvements over time. Plus, with so many delicious varieties available, you're bound to find one that suits your taste. So, stick around as we explore the life-changing benefits of green tea and share tips on how to seamlessly integrate it into your lifestyle. Your journey to better health starts now. Health benefits of green tea. Let's explore the remarkable health benefits associated with drinking green tea. One of the standout advantages is its ability to boost metabolism, making it a popular choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. The catechins found in green tea can enhance fat oxidation and increase energy expenditure, helping you burn calories more efficiently. So, if you're on a weight loss journey, adding green tea to your daily routine could be a game changer. But that's not all. Green tea is also rich in antioxidants, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which plays a crucial role in disease prevention. These powerful compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. By incorporating green tea into your diet, you're giving your body a fighting chance against harmful free radicals. Additionally, green tea has been linked to improved heart health. Studies suggest that regular consumption can lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular function. This means that not only are you enjoying a delicious beverage, but you're also taking proactive steps to support your heart health. In summary, drinking green tea can boost metabolism, provide essential antioxidants, and promote heart health, making it a fantastic addition to your wellness routine. Mental clarity and focus. Let's delve into how green tea can enhance your mental clarity and focus. One of the key components of green tea is L-theanine, an amino acid known for its calming effects. Unlike other stimulants, L-theanine promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness. This unique combination allows you to feel more centered and focused, making it easier to tackle tasks and stay productive throughout the day. In addition to L-theanine, green tea contains caffeine, which can significantly improve alertness. However, the caffeine content in green tea is lower than that found in coffee, providing a gentler boost. This means you can enjoy increased energy and concentration without the jitters or crashes often associated with higher caffeine intake. It's the perfect balance for those looking to stay sharp without feeling overstimulated. Research supports these benefits, with several studies linking green tea consumption to improved cognitive function. For instance, some studies have shown that regular drinkers of green tea perform better on memory and attention tasks compared to those who don't. This suggests that incorporating green tea into your daily routine could be a simple yet effective way to enhance your mental performance. In summary, the combination of L-theanine and caffeine in green tea makes it an excellent choice for boosting mental clarity and focus, helping you stay sharp and productive. Stress reduction and relaxation. Let's examine how drinking green tea can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. One of the most notable benefits of green tea is its calming effect on the nervous system. The presence of L-theanine, an amino acid found in green tea, plays a significant role in this. It helps to lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, allowing you to feel more at ease and centered. This makes green tea an excellent choice for those moments when you need to unwind after a long day. Moreover, the ritual of tea drinking itself can serve as a mindfulness practice. Taking the time to brew a cup of green tea encourages you to slow down and be present in the moment. The simple act of preparing and savoring your tea can create a sense of calm, helping to clear your mind and reduce anxiety. It's a wonderful way to incorporate a moment of peace into your busy day. Additionally, regular consumption of green tea may lead to improved sleep quality. The calming properties of L-theanine can help you relax, making it easier to drift off to sleep. By incorporating green tea into your evening routine, you may find that you wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to take on the day. In summary, drinking green tea can be a powerful ally in reducing stress and promoting relaxation, enhancing both your mental and physical well-being. Skin health and beauty. Let's highlight the incredible benefits of green tea for skin health and beauty. One of the standout features of green tea is its rich antioxidant content, particularly catechins, which can significantly improve skin appearance. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV rays, leading to a more radiant and youthful complexion. By neutralizing free radicals, green tea can help your skin look healthier and more vibrant. In addition to enhancing overall skin appearance, green tea has shown promise in reducing acne and signs of aging. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm irritated skin and reduce redness, making it a great option for those prone to breakouts. Furthermore, the antioxidants in green tea can help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a smoother and more youthful look. Many popular skincare products now incorporate green tea extracts, capitalizing on its numerous benefits. From cleansers and toners to serums and moisturizers, you can find green tea infused options that cater to various skin types and concerns. Brands often highlight green tea as a key ingredient due to its ability to soothe, protect, and rejuvenate the skin. In summary, green tea is a powerhouse for skin health and beauty, offering a natural way to enhance your skincare routine and achieve a glowing complexion. Incorporating green tea into your lifestyle. Now that we've explored the benefits of green tea, let's discuss how to easily incorporate it into your daily life. One of the first steps is to try different types of green tea. Matcha, for instance, is a finely ground powder that offers a rich flavor and a potent dose of antioxidants. Sencha, on the other hand, is a popular Japanese green tea known for its refreshing taste. Experimenting with various types can help you discover your personal favorite. Another fun way to enjoy green tea is by incorporating it into delicious recipes. Consider making a green tea smoothie by blending matcha with your choice of fruits, yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. This not only adds a nutritious boost but also creates a refreshing drink perfect for breakfast or a snack. Alternatively, you can prepare iced green tea by brewing your favorite green tea, letting it cool, and adding fresh fruits or herbs for a flavorful twist. Don't forget to experiment with different brewing methods to find the optimal flavor. Whether you prefer steeping loose leaves or using tea bags, adjusting the water temperature and steeping time can make a significant difference in taste. By trying new varieties, recipes, and brewing techniques, you can easily make green tea a delightful part of your daily routine. As we wrap up our discussion on the life-changing effects of green tea, let's summarize the key points we've covered. First and foremost, green tea is a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting metabolism and aiding in weight loss to providing essential antioxidants that protect against chronic diseases, it's clear that incorporating green tea into your diet can significantly enhance your overall well-being. We also explored how green tea can improve mental clarity and focus. With its unique combination of L-theanine and caffeine, it offers a gentle energy boost without the jitters, making it an ideal choice for those looking to stay sharp and productive. Additionally, we highlighted its remarkable benefits for skin health and beauty, showcasing how its antioxidants can improve skin appearance, reduce acne, and combat signs of aging. Now is the perfect time to start incorporating green tea into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy it as a warm beverage, in smoothies, or as part of your skincare regimen, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from the life-changing effects of green tea. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content.